Dhaggeeffattoota keenya amma bakka dhaabatee jiru nama hojii naasaa jiru kuni afaan Oromoo fi gaashan uffatee fi kan inni nama wajjin haasa'u bakka afaan Ingiliffaan gaaffii gaafa kitaabota deemu daawwanna. Just to ask you, what's your name and where you come from?
Okay, my name is Mr. Padisa. I came from Adama, RC Adama.
Where do you live now?
I live in Norway, Tinker, Norway.
Okay, you are living in society.
Yeah, in society.
Today we are here to celebrate together with Norwegian. And you are the one who created not Muslim society. What's your position?
Yeah, my position is in that I'm working on human rights sections, and then this is now established to be like a new community, and then we want to work integrate with Norwegian societies, or community with Norwegian societies.
What kind of activities human rights means? The way you are doing, can you tell us?
Yeah, human rights means that like by nature the God give us like all people living in peace and then whatever they want. That's the human rights. But in our country there is a little bit problem, and then we want to introduce and then just to the all words from Norwegians. We start from Norwegians, and then we want to just expose for the whole world. That's what's happening on Oromo people. And then what's Oromo means? Our culture, our society, our everything. And then we are working on it.
I think today is the first day in celebrating the Oromo Community Board. What's your future plan together with Norwegian?
Then we are working with Norwegians, and then we plan it, and our goal is that we working with Norwegian societies. We make it like some programs every 3 months or like 4 months. Or there's something. Sorry.
That's very good. Thank you for the interview. You are with me.
Thank you.